Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if this is the first time watching, welcome to you. Welcome back, my subscribers. Today I have a pore treatment for you. This treatment is gonna shrink and minimize your pores. Now we all know that having large open pores on the face is unsightly and sometimes it's very uncomfortable to most people. Now what causes large open pores?
Most often, genetics, oily skin, and as people get older too, sun damage and decreased skin elasticity can cause pores to dilate. What are pores? Pores are hair follicles openings. They serve as escape route for perspiration and body toxins. Enlarged pores are more visible. They're often found on oily, unaging skin. Pores can get clogged with debris and oils like sebum, which shows up on the skin. Those with large pores are more prone to breakouts and acne.
Okay, so now that we know the cause of large pores, we are going to be treating the pores. So if you're interested in this treatment, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in 1, 2, 3.
In this video, I will share 3 steps and demonstrate the second step. Step 1, we're going to exfoliate and we're using brown sugar and lemon. Step 2, we're using a facial mask and this is going to be Fuller's Earth and lemon. And step 3 is a facial toner and that's apple cider and rose water. To make our scrub, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a half of a medium lemon, and I'm just going to dip our lemon in. You can also choose to squeeze a little bit in the brown sugar, dip it in, and you're going to use this to exfoliate the skin. For this recipe, I'm going to be using lemons, and lemons are natural astringent. They are great for shrinking large pores and controlling oily skin. Lemons are also great for evening out skin discoloration and pigmentation. And our second ingredient is Fuller's Earth. And Fuller's Earth is one of the best natural home remedies to shrink open pores and enhance skin tones. Fuller's Earth absorbs the excess sebum. Absorbing the excess sebum will lead to the reduction of the size of the pores. Furthermore, it's a natural clay, and natural clays are known to help to shrink large pores. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of Fuller's Earth. And I'm going to cut my lemon, and I'm using a half of a medium lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze this in the Fuller's Earth. And you should definitely get enough juice to mix the Fuller's Earth. Once you have this, you're just going to mix. Now if it's too dry, go ahead and squeeze a little more lemon juice. Because what happened with the Fuller's Earth is that it tends to suck up any form of liquid really, really fast, okay? So now we're going to mix again. And this is your treatment. And I'm going to show you how to apply this. Now, our next treatment is apple cider vinegar and rose water. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of rose water. Pour this in your apple cider vinegar and you're going to mix this. So to begin, you're first going to use your lemon and brown sugar to exfoliate the skin. You're going to exfoliate. Once you're done, you're going to rinse off. Now after rinsing, you're going to take your Fuller's Earth and lemon. You're going to apply it to the skin. You're going to wear this for at least 30 minutes, and then it's going to come to a complete dry. And then you're going to rinse this off with some warm water. After rinsing, you're going to apply your apple cider vinegar and rose water, and you're going to apply it to your skin, and you're going to leave this on overnight. Okay?
To shrink your large pores, you're going to take your treatment, and depending on where on your skin, if you have large open pores all over your face, you want to apply the treatment all over your face. So you're just going to rub it in. If you have it just on your cheeks, just apply the treatment where you have the large pores. No need to put it on the entire face, okay? So just cover those pores up. Now, once the treatment is on your skin, you're going to leave it there for at least 30 minutes. During this time, you're going to feel that the treatment is drying on your skin. You're going to feel tightness to your skin. Leave it there and then rinse off after the 30 minutes. Now, you want to use this treatment at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Now, after a week, you're going to notice a huge difference. The pores are going to shrink tremendously, and not only are the pores going to be shrinking, but your skin is going to look much better and feel much better. Continue to use the treatment until you get your desired look to the skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also remember to share the video. And if this was the first time watching, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.